I'm sure you've heard the news. A healthier, brighter smile is just one step away. Introducing ProvaDent. ProvaDent isn't just another dental supplement. It's a natural, advanced oral probiotic complex that targets bad breath, bleeding gums, and even loose teeth. Packed with probiotics and natural ingredients like xylitol, cranberry extract, and purple carrot powder, ProvaDent supports a balanced oral microbiome, giving you more than just a fresh breath. It's a complete oral health makeover. And here's the kicker. ProvaDent is formulated by Dr. Knudsen, a board-certified dentist. So you know it's backed by science and expertise. Plus, ProvaDent is eco-conscious. For every jar purchased, a tree is planted. Healthy smile, healthy planet. It's a win-win. Don't just take our word for it. Hundreds of satisfied customers rave about the amazing benefits. And with our money-back guarantee, you've got nothing to lose but bad breath. Ready to revolutionize your dental care? Visit dentalsugarhack.com and join the ProvaDent family today.